Hi children, how are you all? Hope all are fine and healthy. So everybody, let's just stay home, be alert but don't panic. Think positively, don't break the study, let us continue our study. So in our last Mulberry class, I explained to you about Fern and Avery. So both of them went to see a fair with their parents. So their father, Mr. Arable, allowed them to go themselves for the fairground, and he gave some pocket money. Till that we learnt last class. So today now we are going to start our English second class Mulberry from this passage. Okay, we are going to study. Now run along, he said, and remember the money has to last all day. Don't spend it all in the first few minutes. Be back here at the truck at noontime so we can all have lunch together. And don't eat a lot of stuff that's going to make you sick to your stomachs. And if you go in those swings, said Mrs. Arable, you hang on tight. You hang on very tight. Hear me? Don't get dirty. Next page. And don't get overheated, said their mother. Watch out for pickpockets, warned their father. So we also, maybe sometimes we also go alone. Before we going, we will get so many warnings or so many advice from our parents. Likewise, here also, Fern and Avery got many advice and warnings from their parents, Mr. Arable and Mrs. Arable. Before going, Mr. Arable warned them that the money I have given you to last all day and don't spend it in the first few minutes. That means don't waste the money. Come back at noontime for having lunch and don't eat so much junk food. Junk food, you also know it affects our stomach. That's why Mr. Arable warned them to eat too much of junk food. You also know that junk food is not good for our health. All parents are worried about their children when they go alone anywhere. So here Mrs. and Mr. Arable also little bit worried about their children, but not so much worried. That's why Mr. Arable sent them alone. And Mrs. Arable said to children that they have to hold their hands tightly if they go in those swings. She warned them that don't get dirty and don't get overheated. It makes you sick, and their father gave warning about pickpockets. Pickpockets. What is the meaning of pickpockets? Here it is given. Pickpockets means people who steal money from others' pockets. So Mr. Arable gave some money to them for buying things, so that he warned them pickpockets. Okay, let us continue the reading from here. The children grabbed each other by the hand and danced off in the direction merry-go-round toward the wonderful music and the wonderful adventure and the wonderful excitement. Mrs. Arable stood quietly and watched them go. Then she sighed. Then she blew her nose. Do you really think it's all right? She asked. Well, they have got to grow up sometime, said Mr. Arable. And the fair is a good place to start, I guess. So Mrs. Arable was worried about their children. All the mothers have thought about their own children, what they will do there, what they will eat there, what will happen with them. So all the mothers have these type of worries about their own children. Likewise, so many questions will arise in Mrs. Arable mind also. But Mr. Arable was happy and confident about the children. He said that the fair is a good place to start. So this is the lesson for you today. Read the lesson and learn the word meanings. Just let me explain the word meaning. Fourth one, it is overheated. Overheated means too hot. Pickpockets I already explained you. People who steal money from others' pockets. Okay, this is the meaning of pickpockets. Now you just see the previous page. Okay, bleating. Bleating means crying sound of a sheep or goat. Very easy word meanings. Okay, so learn the word meaning nicely. See you tomorrow. Bye.